start. Go ahead.
Hi, Miss Roof. I am doing the Density Rainbow project. So I have all my ingredients here. I have 1/4 cup of honey, 1/4 cup of dish soap, 1/4 cup of olive oil, 1/4 cup of water, and a 1/4 cup of alcohol. So what I'm gonna do is I also have a stirring stick so I can stir the colors in. I have blue food coloring, green food coloring, and pinkish red food coloring. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to pour the ingredients in according to their density. So density is how compact something is, or how close the molecules are together in a liquid or a solid or anything. So first, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add red food coloring and blue food coloring to my honey. So let's start with that. Wow, it's sticky. Yeah, we're probably. What if it stains the cup? Actually, that's pretty good. Okay, just gonna get that really mixed in. Make sure it's all the way in there. Man, that's so thick. Okay, so that's like, I don't know if that's purple, but that's okay. So now I'm going to pour in my 1/4 cup of honey. So it says to pour it in slowly and down the side, but I'm going to pour it down the side on the next one because I don't want it to get all sticky yet. Okay, so the honey's done, and next we are going to, I'm going to let this set for, wow, that's thin. I'm going to let it sit there for just a minute, and now, so I am going to, so this is already blue, so I don't have to add any food coloring to it, and I'm going to pour it down the side like it says, so that the density stays on top of the honey. Okay, so that's good. As you can see, there is blue and purplish, blackish. Next, we are adding green food coloring to water. Okay, I told you water. Okay, so I have a 1/4 cup of green water. So there it is. The green and the blue mixed a little bit, but that's okay. Okay, so next I'm going to do the olive oil. Oh, you can see a clear layer on that one. That's the first one you can really quite see a really good layer. All right, and then last I'm going to add some reddish pinkish to my alcohol. Mix that up. Oh wow, that's quite red. All right, I don't know how, I didn't know that alcohol was so liquidy. So we're gonna see how it goes if we pour it down. Okay, I can see that. All right, so my density rainbow. You can see on the bottom, there is the purple honey, and then next layer is the blue dish soap, And then the green, what was after dish soap? Green water, right? Yeah. And then yellow olive oil. And on the very top, there is red alcohol.
What does that look like?
And it just looks like a rainbow. And in the middle of the yellow and red, they kind of blend together. When you put things that are different like types of liquids on top of each other and have different densities, like especially with the water and the oil, they stay separate because they're like different. But with the densities, one doesn't like, for example, if we put the oil below the water, oil would come up through the water instead of staying down. So that is how it stays in the rainbow that it is. Thank you. It kind of surprised me that the alcohol was like it actually stayed on top instead of blending in with the oil. I thought they would blend together. But yeah, that's really it. Thank you.